Hello guys, welcome to CloudRaga. So in previous video, we just got the idea how to create interface, but still we don't know what is interface. So that's the picture here which explains what is interface and what it provides. So interface, it's a blueprint of a class. It's not a blueprint, it's a blueprint for the class or a class which is going to be implemented further. So what does it do? Interface provides or gives you a contract. The contract says if is there any method inside the interface, so the class must give its implementation. What does it mean? So it means come back to this right side. Let's say we have an interface shape and there is one method public void draw which is just a declaration. You guys should notice here, must have noticed that there is a semicolon. Typically we have a what do you call method body like curly brace open and close. Check this side. Public void draw. This is declaration. That's how we declare method. Draw parenthesis open close and semicolon. Just a declaration. But when it comes to declaration definition, so you have to give semicolon. Sorry, this curly braces. Curly brace open and close. Even if you leave it empty, still it is considered as a method definition. Though it's empty, but yeah, it's a definition. But if you use semicolon, that means it's a full stop. There is nothing beyond this point. So that is declaration when we put semicolon, and when we use curly braces, that's a definition. That's how, that's technical words which we should when you're explaining someone. Okay, come back to the slides section. So if it is interface, we can not create method body. That's the rule. So we have to only declare the method. Next, you can have a variable like this. But what happens when you class? Because right now my file name is shape.java. Once this file gets compiled, it becomes shape.class. So what compiler will add? It adds, if it is a method, so it adds abstract keyword with a method signature. Abstract means kind of incomplete, which is or whose implementation is kind of hidden. You cannot actually see the actual implementation. That implementation will come from different class. Interface does not reveal the implementation. That's kind of a hidden. So when you write public void draw, compiler will convert this into a public abstract void draw. And if you have a variable like int x equals to 5, so compiler will add public, static, and final. So three keywords get attached and then your variable gets started. So that's why I put a note here. When it comes to method, methods are abstract in interface and fields are public, static, and final interface. So just remember this rule, the bottom one, and will help you in long term. Doesn't matter whether you have experience of 1 year or 10 experience. These things matter, and yeah, that's the overall picture of interface. In next class, we will write some program and we will see how it works in like coding wise. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Let's meet in next video. Bye bye.